In this video, I will show you how to draw arrows in the chess.com website. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to chess.com. Now what you can do is just play online straight away, or if you do have an account, come over to the left hand side and press the login button to proceed to log in to your account. So here we are on the chess.com homepage. I've gone ahead and logged into my account. So you can do this on any game you want. You can actually draw arrows on any game. In this tutorial, I'm just going to come across to the classroom. So what I'm going to do is come to the left hand side to this menu, click on to learn, and then I'm going to go on to classroom, just open up a demo game to show you how to do this. So normally to move your pieces, of course, what you do is hold down the left mouse button and it will show you where you can move your pieces to. So you would just repeat this process like so. But if you actually want to go ahead and draw arrows instead of like this, then what you can do is actually hold down the right mouse button instead. And once you hold the right mouse button down, say I want to do it for this piece, you hold down the right mouse button and what you can do is just drag where you want this to go. Now you can actually have multiple arrows as well. So for example, if I wanted to do this piece as well, I can hold down the right mouse button and set an arrow to here. So you can just go ahead and repeat this process as you can see like I'm doing here. So you can also change the colour of the arrows if you hold down the left shift button on your keyboard and then hold the right mouse button. As you can see, it's changed the arrow colour to green. Then we can revert back to orange just by holding down the right mouse button without pressing the shift key. So that's how to go ahead and draw arrows in the chess.com website. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it. If you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.